Hello friends, Sunsilk Shampoo is a popular hair care product known for its diverse range of formulations that cater to different hair types and needs. With a long-standing presence in the beauty industry, Sunsilk offers shampoos that promise to address issues such as dryness, frizz, damage, and lack of volume. Each variant is designed to provide nourishment, smoothness, and shine, while also keeping the scalp healthy. Sunsilk shampoos are enriched with various ingredients like vitamins, natural oils, and proteins that help strengthen hair from root to tip. Whether for straight, curly, or wavy hair, Sunsilk has a solution to maintain and enhance hair's natural beauty. Sunsilk Shampoo is a well-known hair care product that offers a variety of shampoos designed to address different hair concerns. It is formulated with nourishing ingredients like vitamins, oils, and proteins to help improve hair health and appearance. Sunsilk shampoos are designed to tackle issues such as frizz, dryness, damage, and lack of volume, providing smooth, shiny, and healthy-looking hair. The brand caters to a wide range of hair types, from straight to curly hair, ensuring that everyone can find a suitable product for their needs. With regular use, Sunsilk Shampoo helps maintain soft, manageable, and vibrant hair. Sunsilk Shampoo is a renowned brand in the global hair care market, offering an array of shampoos formulated to address a variety of hair concerns. Over the years, Sunsilk has earned a reputation for its effectiveness in treating different hair types, from dry and damaged to oily or frizzy hair. Each product is crafted with unique ingredients such as natural oils, vitamins, and proteins, all aimed at nourishing and revitalizing hair from the roots to the tips. Whether you are looking for a solution to smoothen frizzy hair, add volume, or repair damage, Sunsilk has a specific variant tailored to meet your needs. The brand's diverse range includes shampoos for straight, curly, wavy, and color-treated hair, ensuring that everyone can find a product that suits their hair type and texture. Sunsilk shampoos not only clean hair but also help enhance its natural beauty. The formulas are designed to provide long-lasting results, leaving hair feeling soft, shiny, and manageable. Regular use of Sunsilk helps protect hair against damage caused by environmental factors, styling, and daily wear and tear, giving it a healthy, revitalized appearance.